Hi girls, my name is Cat Boom Dick. And this pussy is in heat. Hi girl. Hi you guys, my name is Cat Boom Dick. I'm 24 years old. I'm a boy. I swear I'm a boy. That's what my mom said. And I have a penis, so I guess I'm a boy. Where am I from? I'm from Sacramento, California, for now. My drag aesthetics in 3 words. I don't know, I'm a crafty queen. I'm very crafty, I'm fierce, I'm a dancer. I'm cheap. I don't know, I have too many. My strengths. What? I can paint a mug. And I'm also a good dancer. I'll show you. Not lip syncing though. I'm not gonna lip sync for my life. I'm not that stupid. But I'll show you. My weakness is. I am my own weakness. I don't believe in myself. Anyway, am I excited or nervous? I'm both. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm excited to see girls go home. And I'm nervous to send them home. Who's my biggest competition? I'm not sure if it's this one or this one. But not the girls. The girls are my friends. Hi girls, you guys are my friends. My biggest competition, probably me. Who's gonna go home first? Don't ask me, I'm not the judge. I'm not here to judge nobody. But not gonna be me going home first, I'll tell you that. Not me. What else do you wanna add? What y'all girls? I'm coming for every single y'all.